Okay, we're going to look at tree diagrams and how we can use them to solve all sorts of problems. Okay, say we had this problem. We've got a bag of marbles and we've got 3 red marbles and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow marbles in the bag. And we reach into the bag. And if I said to you, what's the chance of picking out a red marble? It's 3 chances in 10. Then say I put the marble back in the bag and then I try it again. Well, that would be 3 chances in 10 again. But the chance of picking up 2 red marbles in a row, we know because the events are independent, we're supposed to multiply them. So we go 3 times 3 is 9, and 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, that's how you figure out the probability of getting 2 red marbles. But we can make a tree that answers all the questions. So take a look at this. If the chance of getting a red marble is 3 out of 10, well, there's 7 yellow marbles. It must be 7 out of 10. So in the first trial, when you reach in, it's 3 out of 10 and 7 out of 10. Well, if you do pick a red marble and then you pick another one, there's again still 2 chances, 2 things that can happen, a red or yellow marble, and 2 chances that are exactly the same. And if you pick out a yellow marble first, then there's 2 things that can happen, red or yellow, and 2 chances, 3 out of 10 and 7 out of 10. Now, here's the cool thing about the tree diagram. Once you've built the tree diagram, all you do is have to multiply down the tree. 3 over 10 times 3 over 10 is 9 over 100, and that's the chance of pulling out a red marble, 9%. What's the chance of picking out a red marble first and then a yellow marble? Well, just multiply down the tree. 3 times 7, 10 times 10, it's 21 chances in 100. The chance of a yellow and then a red, same thing, 21 over 100. But the chance of 2 yellows, 7 times 7 is 49. 10 times 10, a 49% chance there. Something really good to notice. These are all the possible things that can happen. Red, 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 yellow, yellow, red. Say if you had to figure out, I want one thing that's really good to figure out, to see, all these probabilities have to add up to 100% because it's all the things that can happen. And 9 plus 21 plus 21 plus 49, it equals 100. 100 out of 100. And you can figure out things. So what are the chance of getting a red and yellow in some combination? Well, it'd be 42 out of 100. What's the chance of 2 yellows? 49 over 100. Okay, so that's a tree diagram. Now, what if I said to you, I was picking out marbles out of this bag, but then I didn't replace the marble on the second trial? What would that look like if I didn't replace the marble? Well, the first one would be 3 out of 10 and 7 out of 10, just the same way. But if I didn't replace the marble, there'd only be 9 marbles left in the bag. So that's why the bottom number goes to a 9. If I pick a red one out, there's 2 red ones left out of the 3 that were there. You still have the 7 yellows, so it'd be 7 out of 9. And if I want to figure out the probabilities, I just multiply down the branches. So 7 out of 10 for the pick out a yellow. But if I don't put the yellow marble back, there's 3 out of 9, still 9 marbles in the bag, still 3 red ones, but there's only 6 yellow ones left. And you just multiply down the branches to get the fractions here. Now the number in the bottom is 90, 10 times 9, and you can check and see if you've done your tree right. All these probabilities better work out to be 100%, 90 out of 90, and it does work out. You can look at the notes and check it out yourself. Okay.